こんにちは、ななみです。Hi, I'm Nanami, a professional Japanese teacher based in Germany with more than 10 years experience. Welcome to my course. In this course, you will memorize 71 hiragana letters and the pronunciation with the English IPA in 60 minutes. Let's get started. Here is the hiragana table. We have 15 columns. The table works as follows. From the top right, you read it from top to bottom. I've broken down into 13 lessons, totaling 60 minutes. Our goal is, listen to me, our goal is to read, memorize the hiragana letters and pronounce them correctly. So now let's learn tachitsuteto. Next one, chi. Please be careful. This is an exception we already talked about. The pronunciation of this letter is not ti. We have to read chi. Chi in chili. Do you see the L on the picture? The chili faces to the left. Why did I write L? Because we have a similar hiragana, which is sa. Let's take a look at sa again. So please use my worksheet PDF and practice them. I think it's fun to write them because it's a kind of drawing. Are you ready? Let's get started.